Today I will show you how to deploy and update a website using GoDaddy. First, open your browser and log into your GoDaddy account. Once you are logged in, go to your product page. Here you will see a list of all the products you have purchased or are using. Look for the website's Plus Marketing product. When you find it, click on Manage to open the management area for this product. After that, you will see an option to edit website. Click this button to open the website builder. The builder is where you can see your website pages, sections, and all the tools you need to make changes. You can edit text, add images, change colors, move sections, or add new pages. Everything you do in the builder is saved automatically, so you do not need to worry about losing your work while making changes. As you make updates, you can see a live preview of how your website will look to visitors. Once you are ready to make your changes live, look for the Publish button in the builder. Click Publish, and GoDaddy will update your website immediately. Your visitors will now see the latest version of your site when they visit your domain. Following these steps will help you successfully update and deploy your website on GoDaddy. Thanks for watching.